Good morning and welcome to day 3 of class. We're going to do the study.com assignment that's going to be going live a little bit later today. What I'd like you to do is go to study.com and you're going to click on any one of these lessons. There's a lot of lessons here, and it tries to make you join. You don't have to join. All you have to do is click on the lesson. Don't forget about this risk-free account. Scroll down to a video and you can now watch the video. Okay? This video is about 3 minutes long, and it goes over the scientific method. Pretty cool video, actually. The quiz you can look at. You can always make your own quiz if you like. Okay. So it looks like, I know it says try risk free, but it gives you a bunch of materials that you can still use even without signing up for. So I'm not signing up anything. I'm going to go back to the front page again. So here I'm going to just click on elementary school, so that's why I get a better, I'm a 5th grade teacher, so let me just get that. And let me get there's math here, which is fine. How about English? Choose here, scroll down, here's a quick, you can watch a video right here. Okay, strategies for reading with purpose. So you get the gist of how to use the site.